Welcome back, vintage car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a list of rare finds from 1928 to 1959, all priced between $1,000 and $5,000. These are perfect candidates for restoration or customization projects, so let's see what treasures await you. Buckle up, and let's get started with car number 1. Car number 1, the 1948 DeSoto four-door sedan truck. Located in Mission, this DeSoto is the last year to feature those iconic suicide doors. The body is straight and solid, and it's been owned by the same seller for a few years. It comes with a clean title, and it's even drivable. This beauty could either be a classic cruiser or a hot rod waiting for that Chevy V8 upgrade. The seller had plans but no time, so it's ready for a new project owner. Grab this piece of vintage history for $3,900 and give it the revival it deserves. Car number 2, the 1959 AMC Rambler Rebel. In Bend, Oregon, we've got a 1959 Rambler Rebel with a stock V8. It hasn't been running smoothly. After fixing a bent push rod, it's been sitting for over 2 years. This one is definitely a project waiting to happen. A little love under the hood could bring this unique classic back to life. Priced at $1,500, it's just waiting for the right hands to tackle that engine work and bring it back on the road. Car number 3, the 1958 Mercedes-Benz project car. This 1958 Mercedes-Benz, located in Riverside, is all about potential. It's in good condition body-wise, but currently not running. Sold for parts or restoration, this is a rare find for Mercedes enthusiasts who want a blank slate. With its vintage look and that classic gray finish, it's a fantastic project car priced at $1,400. Think of it as an open invitation to make something truly unique. Car number 4, the 1936 Plymouth. This Plymouth is a true classic with that unbeatable patina that tells stories. The car runs, drives, and looks amazing with its vintage flair. However, it could use some TLC on the brakes and other components to make it road ready. It comes with a clean title and a stash of spare parts. With a price tag of $5,000, this one's for someone who appreciates the charm of a lightly rusted project and wants to keep it looking authentic. Car number 5, the 1947 Studebaker Champion. Located in a small town, this white 1947 Studebaker Champion is a complete classic car with suicide doors and a clean interior. It's fully loaded with new rear brakes, wheel seals, a rebuilt generator, and new tires and battery. Originally blue, it's now an old-school cruiser in white, though it could be a restoration project. Priced at $5,000, it's a solid investment for a car that's already driving and just needs that next level of restoration. Car number 6, the 1928 Studebaker truck. This unique truck has been fitted onto a 1997 Mazda B 2500 chassis and is located in Bellevue. With a 4-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission, it's not quite original, but it still has that 1928 character. It's a project truck that needs finishing touches, and with some work, it could turn into a standout piece for parades or classic car shows. At $2,900, this project is ready for someone looking to mix vintage charm with modern functionality. Car number 7, the 1948 Crossley sedan. Located in Los Alamitos, this 1948 Crossley is a barn find in need of some serious recommissioning. Rust-free with all the original parts, it's not running, but the engine turns over. Known for being small but packed with personality, the Crossley is perfect for a compact restoration project. Offered at $3,500, it's a rare opportunity to bring a bit of American history back to life. Car number 8, the 1953 GMC truck. Found in Half Moon Bay, this 1953 GMC truck is rough around the edges with lots of rust and carburetor issues. It's not starting or running, but for someone who loves vintage trucks, it's a diamond in the rough. You'll need to tow it away, but for $1,000, this classic with a clean title could be an amazing transformation project for a dedicated enthusiast. Car number 9, the 1941 Chevy Special Deluxe 2-door coupe. Located near Disneyland in Anaheim, this 1941 Chevy is all original and just waiting for someone to make it a hot rod or restore it to its original glory. It's got the 216 engine with a classic 6-volt system and virtually no rust, making it a solid starting point. There's some minor bubbling under the taillights and it needs glass, but it's otherwise complete. At $5,000, it's a great parent-child project for anyone dreaming of a vintage Chevy. Car number 10, the 1948 Plymouth Special Deluxe. Our last car is located in Albuquerque. This 1948 Plymouth Special Deluxe with the 6-volt system and 3 on the tree isn't running and doesn't have a title. It was last licensed in California and could be a fantastic candidate for a rebuild or street rod. Priced at $2,500, it's a classic project for someone ready to dig into a full restoration challenge. So there you have it, 10 vintage cars, each one with its own unique story and restoration potential. If you're looking to take on a classic project, these beauties are calling your name. Let us know in the comments which one caught your eye. Until next time, happy restoring.